Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Miss Fong diaper bag, and let's get started. I was very excited to try this diaper bag. I had seen some review videos on YouTube and loved the way it looked. I didn't really want to spend the money on the fawn design diaper bag, and I really wanted to try this style. So this is the Miss Fong. Comes in a nice dust bag. It does come in plastic. I have opened this just to kind of take a peek and make sure everything was okay. So if I needed to send anything back or anything like that, I could go ahead and do that. It comes in this nice dust bag. I got the black. It does come in a few other colors. It comes in a gray, brown, and a pink. As soon as I opened this and saw this, I was absolutely in love. It looks so beautiful. It's very smooth. It's very buttery soft. I love the gold hardware. The zippers are nice. I mean, the size is perfect. I'm so excited. My daughter is 2 now, and I'm going to be using this as a purse also. And the way I plan on packing it is with some jujube stuff, so I can, you know, kind of just take out what she needs and just be able to use it as my purse because I love it. Got this large half moon shape up here for the main pocket. It does come with a nice gray wipeable material, and I love that it comes with all these accessories. So you've got a really large opening, which I love. It comes with a nice very thick change pad. It comes with a nice grab handle, your messenger strap, and stroller straps. I don't always use stroller straps, but these are very convenient to have. Like, that's such a great deal to come with all of that, and you don't have to purchase anything extra. And then inside, it's got the wipes pocket back here, the zippered wipes pocket, where you can have access to your wipes on the outside of your bag. I like that because moms know you need wipes for everything. Comes with 1, 2, 3 mesh pockets and 2 insulated bottle pockets. And then you have this nice inside zipper. I mean, that's awesome right there. I love that. And then you've got your key leash. I like that it's long, so you can kind of tuck it out of the way. I love these straps on the back. I tried this on and it's very comfortable. I was debating between the convertible or this one, and decided to go with these only because I wanted all the extra straps. I didn't want to have to take it off the backpack and then put the messenger on if I wanted to do that style. And on the outside, you've got the 3 pockets, the slip pockets that are very large. I mean, my whole hand can fit down in there. And then you've got 3 zipper pockets on the outside of those. Again, I love all the gold hardware. I love that it comes with a base that will help the bag, sit up. I'm very excited to pack it. I am very impressed with the quality of this bag for the price you pay. I paid $46.99 on Amazon, and I love this black. I plan on getting it in other colors. I'm very excited to pack this up. So once I get this packed up and use it for a little while, I'll do another what's in my diaper bag, and I hope you'll come back and see that. So thank you. If you have any questions, leave them below, and thanks for watching.